Hello students, let us learn how to find the mean of these numbers. So mean is also called the average of the numbers. There's a formula to find the mean of the numbers. Mean or average of the numbers is sum of the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So to find the average, we are going to add all the numbers divided by the number of numbers. So let's add all the numbers. So 13 plus 20 plus 17 plus 42 divided by the number of numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 numbers. So number of numbers will be 4. So 13 plus 20 is 33. 33 plus 17 is 50. And 50 plus 42 is 92. So mean will be 92 divided by 4. Let's divide the numbers. 92 divided by 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 1 will be remainder. Then we'll drop down 2. And 4 times 3 is 12. So the remainder is 0. So 92 divided by 4 is 23. So the mean of the numbers is 23. So this is how we find the mean of any number of numbers. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.